Change the way you look. Just 3 months of hitting the gym can totally transform your body. 3 months of hair care will give you the thickest, healthiest hair you've ever had. And yeah, 3 months of eating right can change your skin, your energy, and honestly how you feel every single day. 3 months of concentrated effort beats years of half-hearted attempts. So if 3 months can change your life, why not seriously commit to it? The real reason most guys don't? They have no plan and no idea where to start. That changes today. First, let's talk mindset. Stop treating Looksmaxxing like a trend. Start treating it like what it actually is, an investment. Looking better improves your dating life, career opportunities, and how people treat you every day. Attractive people are treated better. Simple fact. This is the age of male self-improvement, and it's finally your time. After helping thousands of men, I've found the golden formula. There are 3 high-impact areas you must focus on. First up, lowering body fat. You don't truly know what you look like until you've leaned down. Lower body fat reveals your real bone structure. But hey, you've got to do it the right way. Crash diets and shortcuts? They make you look worse, not better. So focus on consistent gym sessions, regular cardio, high protein intake, and yeah, calorie tracking. Second, complexion. Great skin isn't just about products, it's about blood flow, sun exposure, and clean nutrition. Move more. Eat veggies rich in beta-carotene. Get some sun, hydrate. Use skincare but support it with your lifestyle. And finally, contrast. This is your personal edge. Do you have a high contrast or low contrast face? That determines your best haircuts, beard styles, clothing colors, and even jewelry tones. Once you know your contrast level, you can enhance it to really maximize your look. Here's some real talk. You're not ugly, you're just broke. Or lazy. Rich guys fix their looks with trainers, chefs, surgeries, and $500 creams. But guess what? You don't need their money, you just need effort. Learn the basics. Train hard. Take care of your skin and grooming. You'll get even better results because yours are real. Too many guys tunnel vision. They get jacked, but have back acne, dry skin, messy hair, and bad hygiene. That kills the aesthetic. Meanwhile, a guy with an average body but glowing skin, clean hair, and solid grooming looks better every single time. Looksmaxxing is synergy. Everything builds on everything. Cardio improves heart health, skin, and hair. Better grooming makes your physique shine. It's all connected. But here's the hardest part. Knowing where to start. Your plan might look simple at first. Lose 20 pounds, clear up acne, get a better haircut. But each of these leads to 10 more steps. And that's where most guys quit. It's overwhelming. The good news? The bar is low. Most guys don't even try. You just need a clear roadmap. That's why I created Fresh Pilled, a complete glow-up system for guys. From custom hair and beard advice, to gym plans, grooming, and more. We take out the guesswork. You can do it alone, sure. But if you want to save time and get real results, we've got you. Now let me give you the 2025 Glow Up Essentials. 1. Philips One Blade, the best electric razor for both face and body. 2. Slick Gorilla Sea Salt Spray plus Lightwork Clay for textured, healthy-looking hair. 3. Molten Brown Body Wash, luxury-level scent that lasts. 4. Redken Shampoo and Conditioner, salon quality for real hair improvement. 5. Water Flosser like the Water Pick for dentist-level cleanliness daily. 6. The Breath Company Mouthwash plus a metal tongue scraper for truly fresh breath. 7. Biore Nose Strips to clear blackheads and gunk weekly. 8. The Ordinary Azelaic Acid, a versatile glow-up exfoliator. 9. Cocoa Glow Moisturizer plus Palmer's Body Oil for glowing, hydrated skin. 10. Manscaped Silicone Body Scrubber, deep cleans your body. 11. Aquaphor Miracle for dry, chapped lips. These are my personal game changers, tested, approved, and effective. Glow-ups are not just about looks, they're about becoming your best self. Put in the effort, stick to the plan, and by the end of 2025 you won't even recognize yourself. Let's get it. Subscribe for more.